I have an important announcement to make exclusive to this group, I Am Fit and Free. I'm doing something I have never done before. On February 15th, I'm starting a health and fitness journey, and I want to take you with me. Listen to episode 10 of the Break Free and Get Fit podcast for detailed instructions on how to get ready and come along with me. Also, the best part of being part of I Am Fit and Free is that you have already taken the first step to participating. And I will be posting all of the instructions, my specific steps, strategies, and progress right here. And I hope that you will join in, which also helps to encourage me, and we can all use an extra dose of encouragement. I want you to crush your health and fitness goals in this season, and I know that we can do it together. Journeys are best done with company, and I look forward to doing this with you. If you are ready to come with me, reply, "I'm ready" in the comments below.